Hey guys, coming to you here today. I want to try to help my wife dye her hair. She is wanting me to do this for her. She is very conservative. Instead of going to a professional and paying $100, she wants me to help her. Imagine that. And using this color here, that's actually $3. So, like I said, she's very conservative. She don't want to spend $100 to do it. So I'm gonna give it a try to help her out. So if I mess up, don't laugh. This is by trial and error. So we're gonna give it a shot. Okay guys, now we're gonna open this box and see what we've got. Like I said, I've never done this before. So I don't even know what's in this thing. So first, I have no idea what that thing is, but I guess I'm sure we'll be using it. Also, this here is the conditioner to make your hair smooth and silky looking afterwards, I hope. And this here is the dye, or color, or which one you want to call it. And also, here is very important when you do this. This is the directions and the gloves. Trust me, you don't want that stuff on you because it was very hard to come off if you get it on you. So, that's what it looks like. So as you can see, the gloves is already on here. So, we're going to give this a shot. Okay guys, this is what we're going to have to use. This is the applicator bottle. We're going to be pouring the colorant into the bottle. This is scissors. We would need this to be able to cut the tipping off the applicator. So, let's get with it.
What's this?
Well, this comes later, honey.
Oh.
This is my second job as a hairstylist.
Is that your profession?
Yeah, I'm going to be a hairstylist.
Future?
Okay, we're going to take this applicator. It's got like a little tip on the end of it. So we're going to use these scissors to cut that off. You see that?
Drink it.
Okay. No, you don't do that. You don't drink it. We're not going to be Trump, okay? Okay, here is your color applicator. Shake it up a little. We're going to take the lid off. Okay. Back to the applicator here. And we're going to try to mix it. Be careful, don't spill it on yourself or the floor because it will stain. Okay, once you get all that in there, set that down. So this goes on here. You can actually use your gloves or some tissue to hold on top of the thing, the applicator.
Use your hands.
No, you don't want to use your hand because it will stain it.
Guys.
Then you shake it up very good.
Shake it good.
Shake. Like this is completed now.
It's not shake well.
It's very shaken well. Okay, first of all, you take the lid back off. Be careful not to get it on you. And as you can see, it has mixed very well in there. It's all black now. So that means it is shaken well, like I was trying to tell my wife, and she don't listen sometimes. Put the lid back on. So we are ready to go. Honey, are you ready?
I think so. I'm scared.
You better be.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Okay, guys, we're going to start here. Jen is sitting on her little stool. So I'm going to give this a shot. You know, I would have preferred to have had it done professionally, but this is what she wants, so I'm going to give it a shot. First of all, make sure you wear, if you're using black coloring, make sure you wear something black because if you don't, you might have it all over you.
Yeah, something that you don't.
You don't want to keep, or, you know, it's okay if it gets black on it, okay? Okay, I have the applicator here. Make sure you put your gloves on. If you don't have your gloves on, you're going to get that all over you, and it's going to be very hard to get off, okay?
Okay, what's first?
Okay, first of all, I'm going to be pouring some of this on top of her head. I'm not going to follow the directions, basically where they say, because they say part in 4 different areas. But since her hair is already black, it's no reason to do that. This is a lot easier with her hair than, say, if she was, you know, blonde and wanting to go black or something like that.
Yeah, I usually use two, but since my hair is thin and black, so.
Yeah, this will be a lot easier since it's black, going on black hair. So, but like I said, if it's blonde and you're trying to dye it that way, you need to follow the directions on the box. Okay, guys, let's get started and we'll see how this turns out. Hopefully, it turns out okay.
Okay, go ahead.
First of all, I'm going to pour a little bit on top of here, and then you basically rub it in as best you can.
Careful, honey.
Yeah, don't get it on the floor.
Get dirty.
Okay, here's the hair. Just basically pour it all through the hair.
Show it to the camera.
Pour it through the hair. Most of her hair is got like brown in it from where she previously
Yeah, the
had
bottom.
it dyed on the bottom.
Yeah, I want it black.
So the top is mostly black. I don't see really too much brown there. It's mostly the roots and the length. So,
You're a good hairstylist.
oh yeah, like I said, this is gonna be my
Future
career.
So if you want your hair colored,
Yes,
contact Tony.
if you want your hair colored, call me. Never done it before, but I'll figure it out as I go. Even if you want your hair cut, I'll figure it out.
You want me to cut your hair, huh?
Oh, absolutely. Look here, she cut my hair. Look at it now. Don't have any, or very little. It looks like this is coming along pretty well. I can still see some brown in here. But she's got to let this sit for 25 minutes after she gets through. Okay, 25 minutes.
Yeah, to the bottom one. Did you see the brown one?
Yeah, I see the brown.
Yeah, that's why I want it.
Now, I've always tried to get her to just leave it black and still not to mess with it. But she wanted to try to put a little bit of brown highlights and stuff in it. But you know, she's getting where she wants it back to the original color.
Yeah, I don't want to choose the black because I will look like a witch. So, this one is my color, soft black.
Soft black. Lord, you got a lot of brown back here. Lord have mercy.
Yeah.
Okay, here's another strip of hair that we haven't done yet. And I know some guys are saying I'm definitely doing this wrong, which, like I said, I'm not following the directions because her hair is black. But if you're changing the colors, you would definitely need to follow those directions. This is what you call a husband's love, okay?
Yeah, right.
I never thought I would ever be coloring someone's hair.
It's your first time?
Absolutely my first time, and hopefully my last.
Forced.
And I was forced to do this.
Worst time.
She has tried for 3 days to get me to do this, and I've come up a lot of excuses, but I ran out of excuses today. And if you all think I'm crazy for doing this, I won't disagree with you. But you always try to help your wife do what she needs done. And it's possible that she could have got two of these because she has such long hair. But we're going to give it a shot with the one.
It says, for resistant gray hair, leave on for additional 5 minutes. 30 minutes total.
You don't have.
For ultra light blonde shades, 3, 4, and 5, leave on for an additional 20 minutes. So 45 minutes total. You can, I think I'm gonna leave it for probably 45 minutes.
And you can let me know when you want to schedule an appointment. Make you sleepy?
Yeah, feels good.
I swear that looks like caramel. Like I said, there's a lot in this bottle. You wouldn't think so, but there's a lot in it. Okay, that's it. Now let me try this one final time. I promise you, this is the last time.
No more?
Nope.
Yeah.
Also, don't rub it into the scalp, because you don't want the scalp dye, just the hair. Hey guys, looks like I have completed my first ever coloring someone's hair. Let's hope it goes well. Got it all over me.
You like it?
Oh yeah.
Octopus. Messy. I'm gonna flip this plastic bag. More effective.
Okay. So guys, she's using a Walmart bag, so you can improvise. Coloring your hair on a budget.
Yeah, budget. $3. Yeah. 25 minutes, but I'm gonna do 45 minutes for better results.
The longer you leave it on there, guys, the darker it will be.
Yeah, but you don't leave it very long.
Yeah.
It's up your hair.
So you gotta decide how long you want to leave it on there, how deep of a color you want.
See you later.
Okay, honey, it has been 45 minutes now. Are you ready to rinse this stuff off?
Yes, ready to rumble.
Okay, at least, guys, I don't have to do this. She's gonna do this feed herself. Take your Walmart bag off your head. Warm water thoroughly until there is nothing else comes off your hair.
Get up here, honey. Ooh, octopus.
Also, wear your gloves. You see all the stuff coming off her? After she does this, she will put conditioner in her hair. Let it stay for 2 minutes. And then she will rinse it out again. Okay, we have moved over to the shower. She has so much hair. She was unable to get it all in the sink. Look what she is doing to the shower. Okay, guys. We are finished. This is the finished product. Okay, turn around, honey, and show them your hair. I do think I did a wonderful job for my first time.
Yeah, you did great, honey.
And I'm going to look forward to my new job when I retire from the one I have now.
Yeah, for real.
Or if y'all need anyone to do your hair, let me know. Like I said before, I can cut it for you.
I use this one. It's a super skinny serum to make my hair shiny. See? I love it.
Looks good.
Makes my hair healthy. Next time, I will show you how to trim my hair. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and ring the bell. See you at the next video.
Next time.